Does your child love wearing long earrings but you all get worried that the ear hole might expand? Then don't worry. Do this. I am making a long earring by the means of crochet. So here I am doing the magic ring. As you can see, I have twisted it, taken 2 rounds, and then I'm simply going to do 2 chain stitches in this way. Once I have that 2 chain stitches done, I will remove that ring, and then I am going to do 3 triple crochet stitches in that ring. So for triple crochet I should have 4 loops, and I have to pull the loop from outside that I am taking into 2 loops. So this will be each time I'll pull it into 2 loops, and then again I am going to take it in and pull it through the last 2. So this is taking a little time because the thread that I have used is very fine. Take the thread, pull the loop through 2, again pull it through 2, and then finally you have to pull it through the last 2. That's it. So for the triple crochet, it's very easy. You have to take the thread, twist it around your needle, the crochet needle, twice. So this is how we go about it. I'll take the needle, wind the crochet thread around the needle twice, put the needle through my ring, pull off the crochet thread, another loop, take another loop from outside, pull it through 2. As I mentioned earlier, the thread is fine, so it is taking a bit of time. Then pull it through 2, and last pull it through 2. So this will happen like 3 times in your triple crochet stitch. You will begin by doing 3 triple crochet stitches in the magic ring, and after that comes the turn for double crochet stitches. So here I am doing double crochet stitch. So it is in the same way, pull the loop through 2 and again pull it through 2. Twist it once, go inside the ring, take a loop and then loop it around and pull it through 2. You will do this twice. And these total number of double crochets will be 3, same like the triple crochet. Once you are done with 3 double crochet stitches, then for the last bit you will do 1 single triple crochet stitch. So the triple crochet is the one which we did in the start. There, pull through 2 and then finally pull through 2 again, and then once you're done with that, you will end it with 1 single chain stitch. That's it. Now we work on the other side of our heart shape. I'm making a heart shape earring. So on the other side we will begin in the opposite manner. We'll begin with 3 double crochet stitches and then 3 triple crochet stitches. So this is my first double crochet. Pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2. Twist it once, go into the ring, pull a loop, then pull a loop from outside into 2, pull a loop from outside into 2. So this I will do 3 times. This is my 3rd time now. And once I am done with the 3rd, I am going to now start with my 3 triple crochet stitches. So for triple crochet, I will wind this thread twice around the crochet needle, go inside the hole, the ring I mean, and then pull the loop through 2. So you'll keep doing this till you have 3 triple crochet on the other side as well. I'm on the last triple crochet stitch for this magic ring, and once I'm done with this stitch, that's it. You will end it up with a single chain stitch on top of the triple crochet last one, and then do a slip stitch into the magic ring in this way. Once you're done with the slip stitch, just pull the loop so that it's loose, and once you have the loose loop like this, the other string which we started with the crochet, we will pull it and make it tight. To make it tight, you'll have to pull the string a little hard in this way. Don't worry, nothing will happen, no stitches will go, and that's it. Once you pull it hard, you'll see that the heart shape will form in this way. There, and just tighten the loop as well. That's it, this is the heart shape. So now to make this look like a hanging form of shape, what we'll do is we'll make chain stitches on this loop. So just tighten the loop now and make chain stitches. So I will be making 5 chain stitches. If you want it longer, you can make more chain stitches as well, and then I'll show you how to attach it. Now here I have a blue pair made like this for each of the ear. I have left the extra portion of the thread. I'll tell you later for what. Now see, suppose this is the ring kind of thing that your daughter wears, the gold ring on her ear. So simply the end portion that you see, you will have to pass it through that chain stitch, the topmost one, this one. So once you pass it like this through the chain stitch, that's it. Now in case if you have a earring like this, you can cut off the excess thread. If not, if you have a closed earring, this is how it looks with a small one. Cute, isn't it? I'll show you with the closed one what you can do. Say suppose the earring is closed, you cannot open it, permanent fixed one. You can just pass that extra thread that you have through it like this and form a knot. But in this case, I will advise you to just loop that extra thread around, form double knot, because if you're going to cut it off, it might not be enough to tie in the next time. So in order that there is enough place to tie it the next time, you have to retain that bit of thread instead of cutting it off. That's it, I have made a double knot like this, and then the excess thread I'm just going to pull it through or weave it in. So that's how cute it looks, and I'm sure this is what your kids will love. It will not be heavy on their ear, and you need not worry about their ear hole getting expanded because of this kind of long earring. So friends, if you all found this crochet earring useful for your kids or yourself, do let me know in the comments, and for more interesting hacks, tips, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.